guys, welcome back to a new video. This is Brian here, and so today, my grandma here has got me and Nate a bunch of old pieces of technology. For example, like this box of 45 RPM records, and these little tiny yellow ones, whatever they are, and another record player. But the coolest item is this Commodore 64 here, which the person who we bought it from, it was their dad's computer, and they kept it in really good condition. So the box is in great condition. So now let's open it up and look inside. So as we can see, there's a lot of discs and mails and stuff. I haven't sorted through any of this stuff yet. So we got some chess game, and we got something called paperclip, and we also got something called consolette, whatever that means, and just whatever a test disc is. Wait, that's interesting. I've heard of this before. It's extremely rare, so I wonder if that's in here. That would be really cool. And another disc. Some sort of manual for something. Whatever a bus card 2 is. And then this is like Commodore warranty information and stuff. And got some high quality stuff there.
What is that?
And this. And now we got some little parts. These look like they would plug into a joystick port. So this is paperclip with built-in spell pack. This is that consulate thing, and there's surprisingly not little in there. We got one of your TV switch boxes, and then here's the Commodore 64 itself. Oh wow, we just got something hanging out of it. And there's one more mail here. There's something. Can you open that up? Okay, so
it's very small.
It's got something hanging out of it. Clearly, this person was modded their Commodore, so because there's a little something. I'm not even sure what. This is hanging out of the side, or maybe that's the power light indicator. So let's just see. Okay, so now let's try it out. Okay, so now we got the Commodore plugged in and stuff. So let's see if it works. Yay! It did something. So as you can see, it turned on and it's displaying a load of garbage on the screen. Let's try that again.
Yeah, it looks like it's like garbage.
Okay, so I heard that in occasions like this, sometimes a cartridge works, but the computer itself doesn't. So let's try out the only cartridge that I own, which is PageFox. And, well, that's going to be easy to plug that in. Okay, so we're just going to figure out how we're going to get that in. There we go. Turn it on. And that looks even better, as you can see. We're getting more garbage. Okay, so let's unplug that again. So the Commodore, as you can see, powers on, but it's got some problem, and it's displaying nothing, basically. So now what we're going to test out is some of the other things that came with it. Okay, so now for the last part that we're going to talk about. So this is back to my regular Commodore 64 that works. This is the one we just got. So now we're going to test out these things here. And so this is the one that says the consulate on it. And they plug into the joystick port. I have no idea what they are. I'm not even sure if they're supposed to do anything. So it doesn't do anything here. So let's just try plugging that into the other port now. Okay. Also nothing, as you can see. What about the other one? I don't know if these are supposed to do anything. It's possible that like some sort of RAM expander or something for the software. So I'm not entirely sure if they're supposed to do anything. They might, but I don't actually know. I can get this on. Yeah, they don't seem to do anything. It's possible you have to type in some commands like this or something. It does something, but I don't know. So I might figure out what these things do, and if I can, and if I do figure it out, I'll make a video about it.